So here we are provided with a vector valued function f of t, and we need to obtain the definite integral f of t with respect to t going from 0 to 1. Let's begin. So first what we'll do, we'll obtain the integral f of t dt. We'll take the limits at the end. So this will be equals to integration 0 to 1, so f the vector f of t, which is t I cap plus t squared minus 2t j cap plus 3t squared plus 3t cubed k cap, and we're integrating it with respect to t. So this will be equals to, now what we'll do, we'll separate the integrals into three components. That means we'll integrate the x, y, and z component separately. So our first integral will be integration going from 0 to 1 t dt. So this is going to be our x component. So we'll multiply it to I cap. Then we'll consider our second integral, and this is going to be the integration of the y component. So that means integral 0 to 1 t squared dt minus 2 times integral 0 to 1 t dt. So this will be multiplied to j cap. So this is going to be a y component plus integration of the z component. So that will be 3 times integral t squared dt plus 3 times integral t cubed dt. Right. So this will be z component. So we're multiplying with k cap with the limits going from 0 to 1 for each of the two integrals. So let's now integrate it. So integration of t dt, that will be half t squared, limits going from 0 to 1 I cap, plus we have integration of t squared, so that's 1/3 t cubed minus integration of 2t dt, so that will be 2/2 t squared 0 to 1 j cap plus 3 times integration of t squared will be 1/3 t cubed plus 3 times integration of t cubed will be 1/4 t raised to the power of 4 with the limits going from 0 to 1 times k cap. So that will be equals to half. So let's use the limit. So we have half multiplied to t squared. So we'll use the upper limit. So that will be 1 squared minus the lower limit 0 squared. So we have 1 minus 0. This is our x component. Plus we have 1/3 t cubed. So that will be 1 cubed, which is simply 1, minus 2/2. So that's simply 1. And we have t squared here. So that's 1 squared. So we have 1/3 times 1 minus 1 minus 0. The lower limit will make the two terms go to 0. So this will be multiplied to j cap plus we have 3/3. So that's simply, this is simply t cubed. So we have 1 cubed, which is 1 plus 3/4 minus 0. So this is multiplied to k cap, and this is going to finally give us, so we have half times 1 minus 0, so that will be half I cap. Then we have 1/3 minus 1, so that will be negative 2/3 j cap. Then we have 1 plus 3/4, so this will become 7/4 k cap. So this is going to be the value of integral going from 0 to 1 f of t dt. So f is a vector valued function.